In this tutorial, I'll show you how to combine formulas in Google Sheets using a simple and practical approach that helps you work smarter with your data. Start by understanding the idea of nesting formulas. This means placing one function inside another so they work together. A common example is combining if with is blank to check whether a cell has data or not. Type a formula like equals if is blank A2, empty, filled. This tells Google Sheets to check cell A2. If it's empty, it returns empty, and if it has any value, it returns filled. This is useful when you want to track missing data without checking everything manually. Next, let's combine formulas for text. If you have first names in one column and last names in another, you can join them into a full name. Use a formula like equals A2 and B2 with a space in between. This combines both cells into one clean result like John Smith. You can also use the concatenate function to do the same thing by joining text and cell values together in one formula. Both methods work well, so you can use whichever feels easier. If you want to go a step further, you can combine both ideas. For example, you can use if with text joining to avoid messy results when cells are empty. This keeps your data looking clean and professional. That's it. You now know how to combine formulas to automate tasks, clean your data, and make your spreadsheet more powerful without adding extra steps.